Hey kids! Welcome back to another episode of Belmo Drinks Beer. But before we start the video, make sure to smash that like button down below and subscribe. Let's aim for 50 likes guys, that would be the best. Make sure to watch the video till the end, because we are going to show you the answer to the pun last week, why is Elmo divorced? Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So today kids, we will be learning how to ace your exams. This is an important life skill, kids, so make sure to listen properly. Step 1, pretend to study when your parents are watching you. Step 2, play Fortnite on your phone under the table. Step 3, during the examination, copy from the smartest person sitting around you. But be careful kids, do not give the guilty look or you may get caught. Step 4, congratulations. You have now scored full marks for your final examinations. Your family, teachers and schoolmates will totally be amazed at how smart you are. So, what is the answer to the pun, why is Elmo divorced? The answer is, alimony. If you enjoyed this video make sure to smash that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on future videos. That pretty much ends off today's video. See you guys in episode 7.